Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak with Ritik, and today's our note and topic, and we will discuss about and how can we practice and how can we start speaking. So first of all we have to understand that things and doesn't mean and what's around what surroundings of your what is your surroundings and what is going on surrounding you, because most of the people will say and most of the people say that if because I have lack of surrounding of English speaking, so how can I speak English? So I have one answer to that type of the people, because yeah, you are saying right, but if we uh, if we in confidence, if we want to achieve in something in our life, and if we have motivation, so we can achieve, we can start these things, and we can learn anything in our life. This is a small things to speak English. This is not an any hard work. This is the language, and we can learn over the time, because I also I also belong village background. Now you are also listening to some words sounds and some music sound behind of me, because that is called bhajna. And so, and our topic is that and how can we learn English. So first of all we have to start with the small sentences. I already told you to you have to start with the small sentences and your daily life routine, and what do you do in your daily life. So you have to start and you have to take on your small steps, and after that you will see that one if you practice 30 minutes daily, and if you practice to if you practice on your and on your daily routine, and don't in the initial stage you should not think like I am not perfect, so I can't speak. So you first of all you have to mind in your mind, you have to remind in your mind that you should not think about I am perfect or not. So first things is that, and you should start at least you should start, and after that if you completed and if you completed 1 to 2 week, so you will see in yourself that uh, you are in confidence. So if you confidence in your life, so you can achieve small targets. And if we achieve small targets, so after the over time, and we can target our uh, big task. So first we have to start with the small sentences, small steps. So after over the time, and we will improve, and we will perfect in our this journey. So and doesn't mean and where you belong, where do you belong. Okay, so actually I am belong village background. So what, how I can I speak English? So how I am speaking English doesn't mean where are you right now. And this is the uh, social media generation, and this is the social media time, and we have to use these things like mobile phone and AI, and there are so many things. But if we learn from human, so we can understand the emotions and feeling and the voice and voice fluctuation. Like if we speak with any AI system, so we have to face with the lack of emotions and expressions. Okay, so if we are speaking with any human beings, if we person, so we have to get many things to understand, and we have to get many things, so we can learn something from the human. Like just we are practicing like you and I. Okay, so we are practicing, so we have learned like if my tone is uh, if my tone is fluctuating, so you can understand and what I want to uh, say to you. So you can start with the small sentences, and after the time, and you will achieve achieve something in your life. Because if we make any if we make excuses in our lives, so we can't do anything. Because if I make excuse like I am from village, and how I can speak, and because there are no people and who can speak in English, and how can I practice, and how can I do. So that there are so many problems we I am facing. But this is the era of social media, so just I am practicing with the mobile phone. And you can also start with these things. First first uh, I will say to you that please start with the 5 to 10 minutes with your daily routine, and to front of mirror. So just for build confidence, and after build confidence, and after 1 week, and you can start with the making video. And don't first week you should work on, and how you are feeling, and you are feeling hesitation or not. And after, when you feel when you feel agitation, so you should try, you should think that, and why did I start. So because we should not hesitation with the people, and who will say or not, and who will thinks about of, and who are thinking about of me. And so this is the things, and we have to start in our journey. If we add these things in our life, so we can learn this English language. Because there are so many benefit to speak and to learn this language. If we learn this language, so we can converse with the others, and we can go. If we go for foreign, so we can connect with the people. And if we because we can earn money using this language learning. Because there are so many companies, they hire, but they hire they hire fluent speaker. And you can start on your own business. And why? And because you can start your coaching center, like English speaking coaching center. You can start many things, and you can earn uh, many um, you can earn anything in your life. Because you can, if you like work in any sector, private and government sector, so they will help you to uh, promote promote in your stage, in your job. So this will be helpful in your future. So this will not be harmful, this never will harmful, this will be helpful in our future. Because in the future time, this this will be must. Because must learning, this will be must to learning these things. Because the era of social media, and the era of the modern technology, so we can't survive without English speaking. So just I'm telling to you, please try to understand and start these things, and the start of the small sentences start from today. And if you start from today, so you have to promise with me, then I will start with you, and I will connect with you every day, and I will learn with you something. So keep learning, keep watching, and keep practicing. And don't feel uh, hesitation, and don't think like when I will perfect, then I will speak. So that that day will never come. So because you are also seeing that I am not perfect, but I am trying to speak. So you should also at least try to speak. And after over the time, and we will also fluent. Okay, so we will meet in the next video with the next topic and with